Welcome to another transport compliance video with Fleet Planner. Today we'll show you our system for fleet management. In this system you can set up your transport compliance by simply building a schedule. You can have a printed planner in here as well. So to do that you go into dashboard and vehicles, so you can add vehicles, you can add events in here. In the same way you've got staff, and you can add more drivers and assign events to the drivers, so stuff like driving license checks and eyesight check, any training reminders, you can add them in here. All that stuff appears in the dashboard, where you can change the status and complete the events. You can also manage the walk-around checks, so the drivers can download the app from the App Store or Google Play. The app is called FP Daily Check. And you can also manage the questions for the app, that the questions that appear for each particular vehicle. You can add questions, remove questions, add pictures and stuff like that. So as you can see, the system is quite comprehensive in terms of what you need to do for your compliance, and it can act very quickly. The system is affordable, very easy to use. If you would like to have a demo, please click on the link below. My name is Roman. This is a Fleet Planner compliance video.